Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your agriculture studies class, and our today's topic is chapter 2, lesson 3, 4, 5. I am repeating, today's topic is chapter 2, lesson 3, 4, 5. So students, look at the board. Chapter 2, ideas of agricultural equipments and uses. So just look here, this is lesson 3, ideas of agricultural equipments. Agriculture work is a technical work. Major agricultural activities are done with the help of machinery. Agriculture work is not an individual work, it is a process combination of many types of works. One piece of work has continuity with another piece of work, such as ploughing is the beginning of agricultural work, and crop threshing, winnowing and storing are the end of agricultural activity. So from land ploughing to crop storing, all sorts of work depend on machines. The machines that are used to do the agricultural work are the agricultural machinery. Students, just one second, I am telling here, just look at the sentence, that the machines that are used to do the agriculture work are the agriculture machinery. As population in Bangladesh is increasing, on the other hand, land area is decreasing. So more crop production from minimum land is a big challenge. Right use of right machinery is necessary to overcome this challenge. For crop production, using only good seeds, fertilizers, irrigation or using pesticides are not sufficient. Side by side, agricultural equipments are also necessary. The right use of agricultural equipment ensures more crop production. The use of machinery in crop production is not a recent event, rather it was also used in ancient ages. At the time, crop seeds were sown after clearing weeds by taking soil with the help of wooden, bone or stone-made pointed tools. Men gradually started to use cows, buffaloes, horses and mechanical power for crop production. According to crop and type of agriculture work, uses of machines are also different. Machineries are also different. Agriculture activities for crop production are land ploughing, seed sowing, seedling planting, fertilizer application, weed control, insect pest and disease control, application of irrigation, crop harvesting, threshing, winnowing, dyeing and drying and storing. Machineries are being used in every type of work. That means for every type of work we have to use different types of machineries. The machines are used for land ploughing, seed sowing, weed control, pest control, irrigation, crop harvesting, threshing, winnowing are called agricultural machinery. Some are hand operated and some are power operated among the agricultural equipments. So that means students, from this para we come to know that agricultural machineries are of two types. One is hand operated and the others are the power operated machines. Okay, these are the two types of machines. So just look here, this is lesson 4, uses of hand operated agricultural machineries. So in lesson 4 we will learn only the uses of hand operated agricultural machineries. In course of time, hand operated agricultural machineries have been improved. Uses of some hand operated improved agricultural machineries are mentioned below. The first one is bari plough. This is actually used for ploughing the lands. half time is required to prepare the whole land in comparison with the country plough, and its advantage is no area of land is left without cultivation in the first plough. Number 1, that means the first three are actually the advantages of the body plough. This is the picture of body plough, and these three are the advantages of using this body plough. Number 1 is body ploughs are used to cut and turn over the soil. Number 2, width and depth of cultivation is more than country plough. Number 3, both wet and dry land can be cultivated. Okay, now go to the next one. This is moldboard plough. Moldboard plough is more effective than country plough. Its advantages. This is the picture of moldboard plough. The first one is every part of this plough is made of iron. Number 2, this plough cultivates and turns the soil into rectangular chunks. Students, chunks means actually a piece. That means this plough cultivates and turns the soil into rectangular chunks. Now go to the next one. This is Bari seed sowing machine. This machine is used for seed sowing. It is a hand operated seed sowing machine. Its advantages are seeds can be sown in right distance and depth. Number 2, by it seed germination becomes good, and the last one is its seeds are required in less quantity. And the next one, just look at this is pesticide spraying machine, and this machine's name is this is Knapsack Sprayer. This is the picture of a knapsack sprayer. I think this is very important for agriculture. Okay. A sprayer is used to control crop diseases and insects. A water mixed pesticide is filled up and then sprayed, having a trigger hold at a fixed height. Main parts of the sprayers are a nozzle, trigger, it's actually the trigger, pumping valve, barrel, pesticide spraying, pipette, hose. Okay, then the next one is paddle thresher. It is an improved hand operated paddy or wheat threshing machine. Its important parts are a drum with a tine, a paddle attached to the drum. The drum is rotated with the help of paddle, and crops are threshed by the strokes of the tines. It is used to thresh paddy or wheat. It is fully made with local technology. Just look at the picture, students. This is the picture of paddle thresher. Then the next one is Bari pump. Bari pump is a low lift pump. It can be made locally. It is a modern irrigation technology. Its merits are more water can be raised. Number 2, water can be lifted from underground and subsurface, and this is the picture of Bari pump. And go to the next page. This is lesson 5, uses of power operated agricultural equipments. The previous lesson we learned the hand operated agricultural machineries, and here this is uses of power operated agricultural equipments. So just look at power operated. Different agricultural machineries have been innovated to make agricultural activities easier. Uses of some equipments are given below. This is power tiller. The first one is power tiller. This is the picture of power tiller. Important parts of it are rotating ploughs. At the time of ploughing, the ploughs are rotated at a great speed. As a result, the land is ploughed deeply. The soil is well pulverized and weeds are destroyed. The merits of Operating rotating ploughs are that disc or tan ploughs can be used with it. Land can be ploughed quickly and deeply by the power tiller. And the second one is Barry crop winnowing machine. It can be made locally. The following benefits are found in using Barry crop threshing machine. This is the picture of Barry crop winnower. The first one is during bad weather it can be used inside the home. Number 2, threshing and cleaning are done in less time and less cost. And the last one is it is easy to operate. Now the centrifugal pump. It is a power driven irrigation equipment. Low lift pumps, shallow tubewells and deep tubewells are operated with the help of this pump. Irrigation is done in the crop field by lifting water from a river or a canal or a ditch with low lift pumps and from the underground with a shallow or deep tubewell. This is the picture of centrifugal pump. Merits of centrifugal pump. Irrigation can be done by lifting water. Number 2, water is lifted according to horsepower. Now number 3, can be operated as per need. And the last one is Barry crop threshing machine. This is the picture of Barry crop threshing machine. A Barry crop threshing machine is the modern threshing technology. Different types of crops can be threshed by this. Its capacity is more than that of paddle thresher. Benefits are as follows. The first one is rice, wheat and pulses can be threshed by crop thresher. And the last one is the equipment works well if crops are with low moisture. So students, today we have learned chapter 2 lesson 3, 4, 5. Now students, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.